Oh, it's all about the night county boy, huh? I see that. Jeff Bud. Gangster.
At the campsite, this is what we do. You know, we recording right now, JP. Show them what you got in your hand.
Natural light. With a cigarette.
Camp beer.
Off of a cocaine-induced coma. Got up at 5. Got Wonder Bread over there with me. You know, if you're doing it in a cocaine-induced coma, you got Wonder Bread, who is also the token. We out here with white folks. We all colored. Except James and Jeff.
Beazle, what you got to say to the camera?
Hold on. Don't James look like he's fresh out of Grease 3?